Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Jake World 035. Let's talk about something that affects millions of us: hair fall. But the good news is that hair fall is manageable and often reversible with the right approach. In this video, I'm going to give you actionable tips and tricks to combat hair fall naturally. So if you're ready to say goodbye to hair fall and hello to thicker, healthier hair, keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Before we jump into solutions, it's crucial to understand what causes hair fall in the first place. Hair loss isn't always a simple one-size-fits-all situation. One of the most common culprits is stress. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, a hormone that can disrupt hair growth cycles and even lead to hair loss. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, like exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature, can be incredibly beneficial for your hair. Another major factor is nutrition. A diet lacking in essential vitamins, minerals, and protein can significantly contribute to hair loss. Hormonal changes, especially in women, can also trigger hair fall. Pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, and even conditions like PCOS can all lead to hormonal imbalances that affect hair growth. Lack of sleep is another often overlooked factor. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies don't have adequate time to repair and regenerate, including our hair follicles. Environmental factors like pollution and the use of harsh hair products can also damage hair and lead to breakage. And of course, genetics play a role. By addressing these underlying causes, you can create an environment where your hair can thrive. Now that we've covered some of the common causes of hair fall, let's dive into a practical, step-by-step hair care routine. Step 1 is all about giving your scalp some love with a nourishing oil massage twice a week. I recommend using a combination of coconut oil and castor oil. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that can penetrate the hair shaft and prevent breakage, while castor oil is known for its hair growth promoting properties. To enhance the benefits, add a few drops of essential oils like rosemary or tea tree oil. Rosemary oil can improve circulation to the scalp, and tea tree oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help maintain a healthy scalp environment. Gently massage the oil into your scalp for a few minutes and leave it on for at least 2 hours or overnight before washing it out. Speaking of washing, step 2 is choosing the right shampoo. Many commercial shampoos contain harsh sulfates that can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. Opt for sulfate-free shampoos that are gentle on your hair and scalp. Some brands I personally recommend include Mama Earth, Wow Skin Science, and Biotin. Step 3 is conditioning. Conditioner helps to replenish moisture, detangle hair, and minimize breakage. Apply conditioner from the mid-lengths to the ends of your hair, focusing on the areas that tend to be drier. When your hair is damp, use a wide-tooth comb to gently detangle it, starting from the ends and working your way up to avoid pulling and breakage. Once a week, indulge in a deeply nourishing hair mask. You can either whip up a DIY mask using natural ingredients like yogurt, aloe vera, and fenugreek paste, or opt for ready-made hair masks from brands like Saint Botanica or Indulekha Bringha. These masks provide an extra boost of hydration and nutrients to strengthen your hair and promote growth. And finally, step 5 is all about minimizing heat styling. Whenever possible, let your hair air dry naturally. If you must use heat, apply a heat protectant spray beforehand and use the lowest heat setting possible. Bonus tip: switch to a satin or silk pillowcase to reduce friction and keep your hair smoother and less prone to damage. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat." Well, it's true for your hair too. The foods you consume play a vital role in the health and strength of your hair. So, let's talk about the best foods to incorporate into your diet for optimal hair growth. First up, we have leafy greens like spinach, methi, fenugreek, and curry leaves. These greens are packed with iron and folate, two nutrients that are essential for healthy hair growth. Iron helps carry oxygen to the hair follicles, while folate aids in cell division and the production of new hair cells. Next, make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet. Hair is primarily made up of a protein called keratin, so it's crucial to consume adequate protein from sources like eggs, lentils, chicken, fish, or plant-based protein sources like tofu or beans. Omega-3 fatty acids are another must-have for healthy hair. They nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting hair growth and preventing dryness. Incorporate foods like walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and fatty fish like salmon into your diet to reap the benefits of omega-3s. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect hair follicles from damage and boosts collagen production, which is essential for strong, healthy hair. Include plenty of vitamin C-rich foods in your diet, such as amla, Indian gooseberry, oranges, lemons, strawberries, and bell peppers. Biotin, also known as vitamin H, is a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in hair growth. It helps strengthen hair follicles and prevents breakage. And last but not least, stay hydrated. Water is essential for overall health, including the health of your hair. Now let's talk about some hair care products that can give your hair an extra boost in the fight against hair fall. Keep in mind that while these products can be helpful, they work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet. Let's start with shampoos. As I mentioned earlier, opting for sulfate-free shampoos is crucial. Some of my top recommendations include Mama Earth Onion Shampoo, Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo, and Biotique Bio Kelp Shampoo. These shampoos are formulated with natural ingredients that cleanse your scalp gently without stripping away its natural oils. Next, we have hair oils. Hair oils have been used for centuries to nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. Some of my favorite hair oils include Indulekha Bringa Hair Oil, Kesh King Ayurvedic Oil, and Minimalist Rosemary Hair Growth Oil. These oils are enriched with herbs and ingredients that have been traditionally used to combat hair fall and promote hair growth. Hair masks are another great way to provide your hair with an intense dose of nourishment. You can either opt for DIY masks using natural ingredients like aloe vera, coconut milk, yogurt, or eggs, or choose from a variety of ready-made hair masks available in the market. Some of my recommendations include Mama Earth Onion Hair Mask, St. Botanica Moroccan Argan Hair Mask, and any DIY masks with aloe vera and coconut milk. Hair serums can also be beneficial in controlling hair fall and promoting hair growth. Remember, finding the right products for your hair type might require some trial and error. Alright, let's recap everything we've covered today and create a simple action plan to combat hair fall and achieve those luscious locks you've always wanted. First and foremost, consistency is key. Just like you wouldn't expect to see results from a workout routine after just one session, the same applies to hair care. Be patient and consistent with your routine, and you'll start to see noticeable results over time. Next, remember that hair health starts from within. Nourish your body with a balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporate those hair-loving foods we talked about earlier into your daily meals. Don't underestimate the power of a good hair care routine. Oil your hair twice a week, use a gentle sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner, indulge in a weekly hair mask, and minimize heat styling. These simple steps can make a world of difference in the long run. Manage your stress levels. Stress can wreak havoc on your hair, so find healthy ways to de-stress and unwind. Whether it's exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, or listening to music, prioritize activities that help you relax and de-stress. Be patient. Visible results take time. If you're concerned about excessive hair loss or if your hair fall doesn't seem to improve despite your best efforts, it's essential to consult with a dermatologist or a trichologist. By following these tips and making gradual changes to your lifestyle and hair care routine, you can achieve healthier, stronger, and more vibrant hair. That's it for today's video on stopping hair fall naturally. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to take control of your hair health. Stay healthy, stay confident, and take care of your hair.